welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2018, where Mona Heights Primary is on 5 points, St. Jude's Primary on 3 points, as we head into the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, individual team members face off in the categories of Math, Science, Social Studies, and English Language. Our first face-off is in mathematics. It's between the captain of Mona Heights Primary, Dante Jarrett. Captain is up against Brian Jackson of St. Jude's Primary. Captain, we begin with you. What's the sum of 34.56 and 0.156?
34.716.
That's correct. What's the value of C if 4C plus 9 equals 25?
4.
That's right. June paid $800 plus 20% tax for a handbag. How much did she pay for the handbag, including the tax?
$864.
That's incorrect. Brian, want to try?
Yes, miss, $960.
That's correct. Captain, back with you. Give the Roman numerals for the number 42.
XLII.
That's correct. What's the place value of the 6 in the number 5, 6, 5, 9, 4?
Thousands.
That's correct. Brian, we're now over to you. What's the sum of 41.29 and 0.469?
41.759.
That's correct. What's the value of x if 6x plus 10 equals 58?
8.
That's right. April paid 18% tax on a shoe that cost $500. How much was the overall cost of the shoe?
$410.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, thank you. $190.
That's incorrect. It's $590. Brian, give the Roman numerals for the number 67.
LXVII.
That's correct. What's the place value of the 3 in the number 4, 6, 2, 4, 3, 7?
3 tens.
That's correct. Say again.
3 tens.
Judges? That's incorrect. Captain, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Tens.
Tens is correct. Taking us now into our second face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between Raheem Thomas of Mona Heights Primary. Raheem is up against Timothy Taff of St. Jude's Primary. Raheem, we begin with you. What simple machine uses a slanted surface that connects a lower level to a higher?
Circular inclined plane.
Say again.
Circular inclined plane.
That's incorrect. Timothy?
Yes, miss. Inclined plane.
Inclined plane or ramp is what we were looking for. That's correct. Raheem, is a beam of light falling on a smooth white surface reflected, refracted, or scattered?
Scattered.
That's incorrect. Timothy?
Yes, miss. Reflected.
That's correct. Raheem, how many forces are acting on an object when it is placed in water?
2 forces.
That's correct. Which weather instrument measures air pressure?
Barometer.
That's correct. Give the name of the disease that occurs in the nervous system, characterized by convulsions, often leading to unconsciousness.
Coma.
That's incorrect. Timothy?
Yes, miss. Seizures.
Or epilepsy. That is correct. Timothy, we're now over to you. What type of simple machine is a seesaw on a playground?
Lever.
That's right. What do people look through when they wear glasses?
A lens.
That's correct. Gravity is one of the forces acting on an object placed in water. What's the other force?
Upthrust.
Or buoyancy, that's correct. Which weather instrument measures air temperature?
Thermometer.
That's correct. Give the name of this respiratory condition marked by attacks of spasm in the bronchi of the lungs, causing difficulty breathing.
Asthma.
That is correct. 5 of 5, Timothy Taff. Taking us now into our next face-off. It is in the category of English language, and it's between Alison Bowley of Mona Heights Primary. Alison is up against Janelle Knight of St. Jude's Primary. Alison, we begin with you. Complete the English proverb. Don't let the cat...
Catch the mouse.
That's incorrect. Janelle, want to try?
Yes, miss, out of the bag.
That is correct. Alison, spell accommodate.
ACCOMMODATE.
That's right. Form an adjective from the word passion.
Passionate.
That's correct. By using an apostrophe. Spell the contraction will not.
WON''T.
That's correct. Give a 6-letter word starting with S, which means simple. All right, time's up, and that's actually read incorrectly, so we'll get back to that question. St. Jude's, we're now over to you, Janelle. Complete the English proverb. Don't put new wine...
In old bags.
Say again?
In old bags.
That's incorrect. Alison?
Yes,
want to
thank
try?
you. In old bottles.
That is correct. Janelle, spell conscience.
Conscience. CONSCIENCE.
That's correct. Janelle, form an adjective from the word brute
Brutal.
or brutish. That's correct. By using an apostrophe. Spell the contraction would have.
WOULD''VE.
That is correct. Give a 6-letter word starting with P, which is the opposite of singular.
Plural.
That is correct. 5 of 5, Janelle. We're going to move on to our social studies face-off. It's between Delroy Moore of Mona Heights Primary. Delroy is up against the captain of St. Jude's Primary, Jada Tucker. Delroy, who was the Prime Minister of Jamaica in 1986?
Edward Siaga.
That is correct. If you meet a Croat, from which country is this person?
St. Lucia.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, Croatia.
Croatia is correct. Delroy, what's the name of the official currency used in Australia?
Australian euro.
That's incorrect, Captain.
Yes, thank you. Australian dollars.
That is correct. Delroy, what's the capital of Colombia?
Bogota.
Judges. That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Bogota.
That's accepted, or Bogota. That's correct. Delroy, what are the colors of the Mexican flag?
Green and white.
That's incorrect, Captain.
Yes, red, white, and green.
That is correct. Captain, we're now over to you. Who was the Prime Minister of Jamaica in 1999?
PJ Patterson.
That's correct. If you meet a Dane, from which country is this person?
Denmark.
That's correct. What's the name of the official currency used in Colombia?
Colombian peso.
That's correct. What's the capital of Uruguay?
Asuncion.
That's incorrect. Delroy, do you want to try?
Yes, Miss Montevideo.
That is correct. Captain, what are the colors of the Bolivian flag?
Blue and white.
That's incorrect. Delroy, would you like to try?
No, Miss.
It's actually red, yellow, and green. And that ends our final face-off, and it ends section 2. We're at Mona Heights Primary, 17 points. St. Jude's Primary on 27 points. Stay with us. The final challenge is up next.